5 easy keyboard shortcuts for beginners in Davinci Resolve. Number 1 is deleting a clip. If you want to delete a clip, press on it, on the clip that you want to delete, and then press Shift, backspace, and then it will delete that clip and then move the other ones to where your video head is. Number 2, if you want to undo what you've just done, press Ctrl and Z at the same time, and it will undo it just like that. Number 3, if you want to redo what you've just done, if you press Ctrl, Shift and Z, then it will redo what you did before you undid it. Tip number 4, it is using this thing called the keypad here. I think that's what it's called. I'll get up a picture anyway. And if you move the up and down key, so the up key will move you backwards throughout your video to the beginning, and then your down key will move you all the way to the end of your video. And then you have the left and the right, so the left will move it frame by frame, so one frame at a time to the left, and then the right one will do it to the right. Tip number 5, so if you have this bit here, which you can move your clips back and forth, like this, instead of just like moving it like that and you might go past it, you can just press it with your cursor. If you move it more to the left and then press it, it will move to the left until it reaches to where the cursor is. I just thought that might be really handy for you to know. Watch this video next if you want to. Subscribe.